You can make money with this new AI bot called Chat GPT, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 methods which are working right now today. Now this AI bot is new and it's free, and people are literally saying it's going to replace Google. Now this bot can literally do anything. This video will show you around Chat GPT for the first time. I'll show you how you can use it, and then I'll show you 3 different methods that you can use within the bot to make serious money. So here is this AI bot. Now it's an AI bot called Chat GPT, and it's created by a company called OpenAI. Now you may have heard Chat GPT on social media, you may have heard people talking about it, but maybe you don't know what it is. Well, I'm here to show you what it is and show you how you can make actual money with this right now, today. So to get to this bot, what you need to do is go to Google and just search for Chat GPT. That will then take you to the search results, and it should be the first one by openai.com. So go ahead and click on it, and then you can try Chat GPT for free. Now this is free for now. You don't have to enter in no credit card details or anything like that because it's in the research stages. You can use this completely for free. So here is the bot, and I'm going to show you how you can use it right now. So here we are inside of this bot. Now I'm going to demonstrate how this bot works and what it can do. But this bot can do literally anything, and it will honestly blow your mind how good this bot is and how good it is for actually making money. So let's say to this bot, give me 5 video ideas around CPA marketing. And this bot can then, it's an AI bot, so it will actually learn from its mistakes, but it can generate then 5 video ideas for CPA marketing, and it can do anything you ask it. So we've got video idea number 1, CPA Marketing 101. This video could provide an introduction to CPA marketing, explaining how it works and why it's an effective form of advertising. 5 tips for successful CPA marketing. Case study, how we generated X amount of sales in CPA marketing. The pros and cons of CPA marketing, and Q&A, common questions about CPA marketing. So those are 5 pretty decent video ideas around CPA marketing that this AI bot has just generated. So let's try something else. Let's try now, I'll type in down here, write an essay on how to lose weight without exercise. And we'll see what it comes up with then. I'll just let it write the essay and then I'll be back. But you can see it's writing this very fast, and because this is an AI bot, it learns from its mistakes and you can actually speak to it, which I'll show you in a second. So here is the response that it's gave us. Losing weight without exercise may seem like an impossible task, but it's actually possible to shed pounds without breaking a sweat. Focus on your diet, get enough sleep, manage stress, stay hydrated, incorporate movement into your daily routine. And what I can say to this now, say I want an essay, but I want it longer. I can actually then say, make it longer. And this AI bot will listen, and it's going to rewrite it, but make the essay longer, which is crazy. Like, you can literally speak to it and ask it to generate whatever you want. So here is the response. It is a longer response, and you can say, make it 500 words or make it 1,000 words, and it will do exactly that. I'll give you one more example of how good this bot is. Let's write here, how do I get people to subscribe to my YouTube channel? And then it's going to answer this question. And this is why people are saying it's going to replace Google, because it literally gives you high quality responses within seconds. And you don't have to go filtering through articles on Google and different websites, which don't exactly give you the best ideas, and articles which have a lot of filler text. This gives you the information that you need to know in seconds. So you've got here, create high quality engaging content, use keywords, promote your channel on social media, collaborate with creators, respond to comments, and consistently upload new content. And you can ask this thing anything, and you can see how there are possibilities here to actually make money by using this. And it's free for now because they're in development stages and they're in research stages. This might actually be paid though in the future. So you want to jump on it now, follow this method which I'm about to show you, and actually try and make some money with this. Okay, so here's how you're going to make money with this. Now, because this can generate pretty much anything you want, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be generating, with this AI bot, we're going to be generating essays, and we're going to be helping people with their school homework using this AI bot. Now, because everyone doesn't know about this yet, we can generate high quality essays and help people do their homework and give them essays for their homework. Now, we're going to be using this website here, called schoolsolver.com, along with 2 other websites which we'll get onto in a second, so make sure you watch until the end of the video. So on School Solver, what you can do is you can go to answer questions, And this is a website where people will upload their questions, upload their homework, and they want obviously people to do it. And they're willing to then pay, this person's willing to pay $100, this person's willing to pay $10, $100, $3, $118. And you can see there are maths questions which are urgent, you've got English questions, you've got physics projects for $15, and people are actually willing to pay money to get the answers to these questions. So we're going to choose one. We're going to just choose, we'll just choose this one here, JS discussion for 200 words. It's paying $5. It's a pretty easy job. So we're going to click on that and it will open up the job. And you can see, describe radicalization and alienation and how they relate to Now, they have points here that they need to cover. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this whole question. I'm going to click copy. I'm going to go to Chat GPT. I'm going to then paste in this whole question. And then it's going to write me an essay on this exact topic, which we can go ahead and submit and earn $5 for within seconds, just like that. So I'm going to wait for it to write here, and then I'll be back. So here it is, it's generated this response here. Now, I wouldn't say this is too long. I'm going to copy it here and we'll see how many words it is. And I'll show you how you can get this better and actually useful. So if we click on copy and I then go to word counter on Google, we can just figure out how many words this is. So this is 314 words. Now going back to School Solver, you can see this one has 376, this one has 1000, this one has 434. So we can say to this AI bot, make it 500 or 600 words. And then it's going to regenerate the response with 600 words. So it can literally do anything you tell it to. So now it's wrote a longer response, which I'm just going to copy here, and we'll just see together if it is 600 words. So we'll go back to word counter, and we'll paste it in here. So now you can see it's 643 words, so it did exactly what it was supposed to do. Now, ideally, we could just copy this. We could then go to schoolsolver.com, and we can go ahead and write our answer and earn $5 just like that within seconds without us doing any work. Now here's another website. If you go to StudyPool.com, you can see there are more questions on here, and these seem to be paying much higher. So we can write about child custody laws here. So you can see this student wants someone to describe how child custody is determined upon the dissolution of the parents' relationship. And you can go ahead and copy this straight into Chat GPT and answer this question. Now, because this is completely free, you can do this for all of these jobs and start earning quite a bit of money with your answers. Now, obviously, you might have to check them and just run over the grammar, but this is a seriously highly powerful tool which anybody can use right now, and you need to jump on this and use it. Now I'm going to show you one more method. So Fiverr is also another lucrative method that you can do, and you can do so many things on Fiverr using Chat GPT. So if you go to Fiverr and you just type in blog post, you can see here there are people selling blog posts for $25, $50, $70, and so on. And these will create engaging, high quality blog posts, which are up to 500 words for $25. And we can do this exact same thing and compete with these people using Chat GPT. So I could say to it, write a blog post about how to lose weight for beginners. 500 words. And then just like that, you can see, you get the point by now. It's wrote us an article. Let's see if it's 500 words. It's not actually 500 words, but we can go ahead and make that right. And there we go, just like that, we told it to make it 500 words, and it's obviously made it 500 words for us. So that has been Chat GPT. Are you going to use this? Is this helpful? And will these methods work? Well, I think it's very useful. I think this is very high quality, and these methods will work. You just need to go ahead and try them and implement them and take action. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments, and watch this video here if it does interest you.